Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes and show you what we're working on today on Wednesday. Right behind me, we'll start here, a Cadillac XTS. We did a paint correction and a coating on this. I hope John has some good before and afters because the paint on this was pretty thrashed and it looks great. Then we've got a Chevy Suburban. We did vinyl stripe down the body line, like a thick pinstripe. We don't do a lot of striping, but every once in a while it comes up. To my right is a Tesla Model 3. It got PPF on the front end, window tint, and now Zach is coating the wheels, and the rest of the paint will get coated as well. Over here, Caleb is working on a Kia. This is a K5. Factory satin finish paint from Kia. Tough to take care of. This one got PPF on the whole front as well as the rocker panels. We call that our track package, and now it's getting a ceramic coating. A lot of people think that a ceramic coating will change the appearance of a matte finish paint. It will not. You still get the easy cleaning without changing the appearance of the car. So in the wash bay, Bryant's working on an annual inspection for a Tahoe. We give it a wash, clay bar the areas that it needs it, re-up that top coat of the ceramic. Pretty much every manufacturer has an annual inspection program for ceramic. In front of the Kia, we have a BMW X6, I think this is. According to her husband, she always wanted a satin black car. He's been hearing about it for a couple of years, and so she bought this BMW, and we are changing it to satin black. So Tyler's mid-vinyl wrap on this. And on the lift, we have a BMW that almost just took me out from the open door that I didn't see behind me. We're getting a full wrap, ceramic coating, and window tint on this one for our friend Evan. Evan has used us many, many times on many cars. We very much appreciate the business and the relationship we built with him and his dad. In the tint bay, Terrell's working on a Kia Soul. This car was recently purchased by the owner and had window tint on the fronts. It was really dark that he didn't like. Worried about legality, so we are, wow, it's very dark. We are removing that tint for him right now. Outside, we've got a beautiful AMG. This is here, Terrell just told me to remove some badges. And over here, a High Country Silverado HD. We did a chrome delete on a lot of this truck. So the grille, the lower bumper, the mirrors, and the window trim all got turned black from chrome. This Cadillac Escalade is here. Previously had a full wrap. There was some damage to a couple areas, and we are redoing those. I want to say this wrap is a couple of years old, I think. And the center of attention, bright orange Z06, beautiful car. Hardtop convertible. This one got a track package, paint protection film, so the whole front end and the rocker panels. And we've got a Harley Davidson. This one was in for some PPF and a ceramic coating. I think the film is done. I think it still needs coated. Not entirely sure. Beside it, our new loaner cars. So we're the only shop around in the Pittsburgh area that has loaner cars. They are free if you're getting PPF or ceramic coating. Drop your car off, leave with our car as long as you have a valid driver's license and insurance. We had been doing this for years with Jeep Renegades. They were getting old and tired and, didn't have the modern technology. So we bought some brand new Mazda CX-30s for you guys. Out front, we've got two cool vehicles. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This one's here for a ceramic coating. We're awaiting some touch-up paint to arrive to fix a scuff on the rear of the car before we coat it. Should be here today. And then we've got a Cybertruck that we finished vinyl wrapping in KPMF, some sort of green. It's getting picked up next week. So let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and South Florida.
Flat glass department checking in. Every now and again, somebody will drop off a window from their house that needs tinted, and they don't even want us to come out and do it there, or it's just more convenient for them to bring it in. So today we have two pieces of glass here from one of Josh's buddies that wanted a film to cut down on the glare and block as much heat as they could. So we're installing Silver 15 to get that done and give them some privacy at the same time.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up on the platform, we got a BMW M3 competition. We did a full wrap, coating and tint on this vehicle about 6 months ago. It was unfortunately involved in an accident, so we redid some paint protection film on the passenger side. Both doors, the rocker panel and the rear quarter panel, redone, and our 8mm paint protection film and a 4-year coating. Behind the ropes, we got a Corvette. This got a 10mm paint protection film track package, full front rocker panels, and rear impact areas. We got lots of 10mm this week. This Challenger is in for a full 10mm paint protection film wrap. We are also taking care of the tint on the side windows and the back window and doing a 4-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got a completed job. This got 8mm paint protection film in our track package, full front and lower sides. And we also tinted the back section. So these two back doors, the quarter windows, and the rear hatch window. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Challenger. Full paint correction, 4-year ceramic coating and tint on the side windows and the back window. Tint bay, we got a Cadillac CTS. This is getting our Prime XR 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. In the wash bay, we got Jason doing a maintenance wash on this Porsche Cayenne. Next in line for some paint protection film is this brand new Cadillac. This morning we tinted the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. It's next in line for some PPF for doing a full front clip, wear and tear package, and the A-pillars and partial roof. Another full wrap on the lift here, this one from our friends at Swickley. This is getting a stealth conversion. So full stealth paint protection film wrap. You can see the difference there between the completed hood and the uncompleted bumper. So really cool transition there. We're doing gloss PPF on the carbon roof. We also tinted the sides and back window in our Prime XR 20% tint. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Today we're in Hollywood at a customer's house, tinting this sunroom to give this customer privacy. Here the Model X is getting prepped to install the tint. Windshield's fully shrunk, all one piece. Here we have this Rivian R1T. It's getting polished right now to receive a full ceramic coating and full window tint all around, including the windshield in our XR Plus. Join us next week, see what we got going on in the shop.
As always, thank you very much for tuning in. And if you'd like to see what happened last week, check out this video.